Should be going live.
It'd be really difficult, guys. You'd both be stuck. Who wasted all of this? We're up top this time. I heard something. Let me check above. It's the Whiskhead.
So we've got right now, the way it is we can travel. We can do that. That's good.
Oh, and a snail. It's a snail too. Oh.
It doesn't trigger the event. Yeah, it was pretty late today, but we could travel now. It happens. It doesn't work very well, but events trigger normally. That's not the updated version of the diamond guide. Dude, I haven't changed like anything in that since I implemented it. I'm waiting for the dialogue to be finished now because that will be those will be the customer JSONs. Those go together. So I've kind of just waited.
Okay.
Only got 10 left? Awesome. But yeah, we can go through this. We can die. We can't go to the end screen yet, but that's all complete for the most part. For the most part.
Their arms.
I just need to trigger an event on map close. Dude, there's still more to do. There's still more to do, and I'm kind of behind, so it's probably some stuff you're gonna have to do.
I know what you back to Sir Arms.
I am behind schedule, which is very bad. Very, very bad. It's not good. So, okay. So, when we end the event, really, we only got 9 days left. Well, I mean, like the first week isn't over yet, so it's. I'm not technically behind until I'm still doing code stuff, and there's less than a week left. That's when I'm technically behind. That is 2 days. Or 3 days, counting today, because I just started. We might have to delay. We might have to delay, like a week. Just a week. Just a week, I think. But that's not too bad. 1 week is really not that bad. Considering I've never done something like this before. It is bad. It's very bad. But it's not as bad as it could be. New event. I think I just skip that when I'm traveling. I just skip that and just do new event. Skip customer or event and just go straight to new event.
I'm scared. I think Silas died.
Me either, but if it's not done, it's not done. Like if it's not done, it's not done, and there's nothing I can really do about that. By the time the deadline is here, if it's not done, I can't just make it done magically. And I'm not releasing slop, so.
Below or up there?
Where is that? We need to look at customer or event. Customer or event gets called when we close the map, doesn't it?
He's camping.
No, it happens when we unpause. Well, I'm going to have to. Maybe it's not as bad as it seems. But there's like some bugs. There's some stuff that's kind of sketchy right now. But it's almost all there. So I don't know what that looks like in terms of time cost. We could basically be done already. We could, but I don't know what entirely is left broken, you know? I'm not sure what has been left broken. Which isn't so bad. It's not a terrible place to be. It's really not a terrible place to be. Unpause. If opening map was true.
This way or that way?
No, this needs to be. I need something to set. Like has traveled, I think is what it was. No, it's over here. It has traveled false. And then we'll set it to true. And we'll get it from over there. Okay. Has traveled equals true. That is bad. That needs to be first because this is happening there. Okay.
floor is it on? It's top.
Okay, so now if has traveled, if
Bro.
map seen dot has traveled, equals true.
I heard his gun last second, bro.
Okay. Map seen dot has traveled equals true. We're just going straight to event. New event. If it is not true,
You're gonna get a lot of views, guys.
as underscore traveled equals false. Just do customer or event. Okay.
Wee. Let me go down head first.
As traveled equals
I'm not
true.
going.
New event.
This is the worst slide ever. I'm stuck again.
Okay. So what does that look
Wait,
like?
guys, I just drowned. Hmm.
This loser didn't do anything because he sucks, because that's not where the event can take place. That's fine. Okay, it's not resetting it. Oh no, it is. Okay, it was. I just got 3 in a row. So that works. That works now. Traveling is good, but when we end this event, this is a travel event, I guess you'd call it.
We actually got. No, wait, we didn't get it. Yeah, we did. Yeah. Dude, we got super lucky. No boss monsters yet, though.
Well, if you didn't die, if you just get end on an event.
We have money again.
I guess we do it depending on the backgrounds again, which is really a terrible way to do this. It's really a terrible way to do this. I probably, if I had to do it again differently, what I would probably do is I would make a backgrounds class, and that would contain all of this kind of information. But we're too far now. We're building on what we have, so that's fine. But there's not really a better way to do it.
I'm ready. Guess where was the harpoon guy hiding from? No, where was the harpoon guy hiding? Oh. If you're in the corner, does it not get you? Wait, that might be it. Okay, what map is it? Okay. Wee. The skull. No, come here.
Yeah, that still breaks.
Pretty bad though.
Actually, I'm pretty sure that's the wrong ending for that. I think that happened incorrectly, but we'll figure it out. I think it's because I'm hitting more than one button at a time. And that's the issue.
Where'd Noah go? Who got the... Oh, okay. I was so shocked. It's not much better than the modern flashlight. Okay. Oh!
So what does it do? Event,
How are you still alive?
take, give. That's incorrect. It should be give. First
Their
step,
arms is here.
false.
How much health do you have? How?
If the background, if parent dot location. Yeah. No, keep parent customer. Pull event destination key. Finish. Get parent customer event. Okay. If get parent.
The bomb guy. Nihilus, no.
Dot location. Dot location equals road 1, road 2, road 3, forest 1, forest 2.
Side run.
If it's any of those.
We're running. We need to save the phone. Yeah. Does the emoting get rid of it? Oh, it does throw it. So you can have the ultimate pool party. Sure. Yes. Yeah. It deleted it. So last time I didn't drop it. Okay, well it didn't matter. But... Why did I open the door and the spider was right there?
Current location. Var. Current location equals get parent dot location. What's spaghetti code? Code that is unnecessarily confusing. It's usually done as like a quick fix, but it can create real problems at scale. It's just a joke. It's a joke. I'm not ruining anything. Don't worry.
What if I emote and hang from the ceiling? And then spam X?
If
What does this look like, Zach?
let's do travel event locations. Let's do that. Var travel event locations. Because this also means that you can get robbed on your way to the end. And I think that that's really funny. One, one, two, three, four. Five. Road 1, Road 2, Road 3, Forest 1, Forest 2. Actually, this will also include Campfire 1 and Campfire 2 because of the way that those work. For location in travel event locations.
Coming down.
If current location because there's only one current location. Current location will always only be one. If it is any of those, equals location. If current location equals location, we will and this is for finish. If current location equals location, we'll probably do something like get parent dot arrive at destination.
Okay, run.
In which will probably just fade out and fade in, and it will be where you were traveling to.
I can interview them. Okay, stop. The other guy's coming.
I think that's what we want. I think we want something like that.
Our arms is here. I don't see the other guy. Okay, the other guy's here. I'm dead. GG. I'm gonna shock him. He quit spinning. Run. Guys, he's still after us. Guys, keep running. He's still there. Run away, guys. He's still there. Run. Keep running. Get to the dive bell. No, he's still there. marks on him. No, we gotta run. Run. Run, Noah. Dude, it's like they're gonna pick us off while running through the field. Oh no. Oh, that's the stupid thing. It is true. No, save me! Oh my gosh. We all died. Why did he hit you through the wall? Is there stuff there? Yeah.
We're gonna do
Flashlight. A long flashlight. I'm gonna go over here.
or location in travel event locations. If current location equals location, we're gonna back all the way out. We're gonna back all the way out.
Get in the water,
And get the destination from the map.
It's not working.
And we'll go there next.
I'm gonna go down the slide.
Roundabout? Yes, very. But very funny. And perfectly valid, actually. Get parent. If current location equals location. Get parent dot map scene dot
How much film do you have?
let's do this instead. Var map scene equals get parent dot map scene. If current location equals location.
We somewhat made it away
Map scene. No. Get parent dot location. No, we want to do set location nonsense here.
I thought it was the grabby guy.
Location equals load location. Yes, because we're gonna check. We're gonna check the icon. And we're gonna see which of those it is. We're gonna see if it's the sphere. We're gonna see if it's the stone frog. We're gonna see if it's Shroomtopia or mushroom. We're gonna see if it's spheres, stone frog, mushrooms, fountain, shop or town. We're gonna check those. Hilarious.
we don't need too many. We just can't waste any time. Yeah, that's doable. We just need like right. We need like a sound player and we need a boom mic. I think would be better than a recorder mic. I don't know. Let me do it in the recorder mic. Okay, guys. Remember, we need to use the sound player in the recordings and the recorder mic. Are you recording him? I'm good. Did that count as interviewing him, by the way? It's the dragon. Can I shock him and interview him?
Is that what I'm looking for?
There's a ghost.
No, no, I am just going to do that. I am just going to do that.
Here he comes. I'm gonna try. Record me. The streamer's back there.
Where is it?
Run.
Make a new map. Where am I? Find node map space.
Going.
We want to get an image at the same location as the map pointer again. We want to do that again. Because then we need to get that, and we need to get what it is, basically. So then we can get what it is, because we're there. We're there now. It's done. We're there. We made it. That is the present. Else.
Guys, where are the enemies?
And then we want to pass. Or no, we want to return after that.
I'm interviewing him. Ah! Okay, run. He got me.
Yeah, we'll want to return after that's done. Assignment is not allowed in the next version. Oh. Get node.
Oh.
Dot maps slash map space slash.
Does Noah have a camera?
And then 4.
I think so. Let's go.
We want to get the node that's closest. That's called map space. 4 node in map space. If node name node dot name should I name that? Like, can I just set its name? I should probably set its name. I realized I haven't done that.
On me, up here. The streamer. I can shock him and then interview him.
Location pointer dot name equals location pointer.
He's right here on me.
I'm kind of stupid sometimes. Equals LP. Just capital L, capital P.
What's it like losing in a shock stick battle?
Then
Run away.
That's good. We need 4 node in map space. If node.
Where's the door?
Node dot class equals dot get class
The dragon.
equals
Play the dragon. Run.
node dot get class equals shit. What is it supposed to be?
I had the camera.
Node dot get class equals node 2D or sprite 2D. It's sprite that we're looking for.
Do we have the camera?
If node dot get class equals sprite 2D.
Side's getting melted.
And node dot name
Get the camera.
does not equal
I'm dead.
LP.
We're gonna run out of oxygen. I know.
if node dot distance to
Yeah.
node dot distance to map space dot lp get parent map space
Mine too. I know. Wait, are they
map space
how did they
dot get node
You guys
lp node dot distance equals 0. Var location node. If node dot distance to map space dot get node lp dot position location node equals node. If node dot get class equals sprite 2d and node dot name does not equal lp, if node distance to map space dot get node lp dot position equals 0, location node equals node. Now if node dot distance to map space dot get node lp position equals 0, location node equals node. For location in travel event locations, current location, which we're gonna get actually location. Yeah, I should be able to do that. I should be able to do that. If current location equals location, actually, I want to get the sprites to be if current location equals location. Then we want to check that out. Location node. If location node we want to see if that aligns. No, not location node. Yes, location. Yes, location node, because that's where we are. That's where we're at. Dot texture dot resource path no. No. Yeah, because this is when the event finishes. This is all when the event finishes. Yeah, I should be able to do that. Then that will basically say that's what the new background is gonna be. This is terrible. This is awful. This is terrible. This is awful. You know what I should do? Just add a little bit of metadata for certain things. Like, no, that's terrible. That's gonna make even more work. 5 downloads left. Awesome. Remember, you don't even have to really say the name if you don't want to, because that could appear in like events and stuff later down the road. Like, it's fine if you do. Like, it's not super important. Well, we need longer events. Think length. How are you going to add more branching paths? Because that's what we need for events. Location node dot texture dot resource path. I'm 16, man. Yeah, but this is not hard. I'm the one that invented the structure. I invented the structure for them that we're gonna implement. We could go round and round. It's not relevant. It's not important. Okay, so this is just gonna be a list, right? This is just gonna be a list of all the locations and the what the new location needs to be. Yeah, so that will be if sphere, then this. current location equals location. That's there. Then we're going to get that. Okay. I think I get it. If location node dot texture dot resource path equals the sphere. Yeah. Then we're going to return the sphere's background path. We're going to return the sphere's background name, actually, is what we're going to do. So it'll be spheres. Or rather, it will be set location. Get parent.set location. Okay, and that'll be a little guy. There. That's what it should look like. And return, because we don't need to keep going with the loop if we find it. If we don't find if we don't find the current location in that list, in this short list, then we just don't bother, and we just, because it's not there. We don't have anything special to do. We're not traveling, which means we're static, which means we're staying in town. Easy peasy. LF. And that's basically going to be exactly the same. And then we're just going to copy and paste this over and over again. Okay, so for this one, this isn't very moddable, but I don't give a shit anymore. So we're even going to go backward on this. We are even going to go backward. Actually, no, we do need to include the towns for this. Because this is what you're going to. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I need one more. 0. Town map icon. Yeah, because this is where we're going. Okay, now for the names. Unique map icon 3. Spheres. Unique map icon 2. Stone frog, mushrooms, fountain. And then these will all be town. Perfect. Assuming you don't die, of course, which I also have to fix. Okay, so for location in travel event locations. If current location equals location, current location is that, okay? Yes, that's good. That's perfect. That works. I don't see a way in which that doesn't work. I don't even see any bugs that can cause. In fact, things have been improved already to make sure it's more consistent. So if I could test this, that would turn out well. As ridiculous as it is, that is everything for that. So now travel is really complete. Set location town. Okay, so what happens after we set location? Nothing. It's by road. If it's by road is false. Set location, travel backgrounds 1. Else. Okay. So I needed to test. Off-road. Perfect. Then No, because there's no event here. Indeed. So that does that. Is that not done over here? Turn since arrival, that's gonna need to be saved still. That's still gonna need to be saved. You. Hmm. Turn since arrival was never used. That's fine. Ooh. All right. Even though that's like that's a whole nother section. I would like it if you would edit it. That would be very nice of you. So that works. I need to make sure. I need to fix this and make sure that these get laid out properly. Is my lip bleeding? No. Good. Event buttons is never used. Why is it never used? Or button in. Okay. View free if when for event button in event buttons list. Buttons list equals selected event buttons. Event narration, that never gets used. That's fine. That was just kind of just a test in the end, I guess. That's fine. Or event button in event buttons list. Button requirements equals event button requirements. Button text. We go through all the checks. New button data released. Because it's a little bit easier, I guess. Okay, new button. Dot text. Let me go here. Let me look. I need to make a note and I need to put it on there. Shit. Hmm. Wow. Get ready for all of them? Okay. We'll see. We'll see how true that is. We will see. That's fine. Just send them all. Just send them all. Bias minutes. I don't remember what the frick that is. Oh, that's for saves. I'm in saves. No, I just need to add text to him. I just need to add text to the button. New label. This is where we'll need the font, but we don't need it yet. Not quite yet, but we can put it in there pretty easy when we are ready. So this is gonna need to be. We need to do bar button text equals label dot new button text dot text. It's already a variable named button text. Okay, fine. Button label. There, you happy? Equals label dot new button label dot text equals button text new button dot add child button label. Okay, that was pretty easy actually. I expected that to be miserable, but I guess I have to test it now, and that might kind of suck. That may kind of suck. We'll see. Thank you, bye. That is a lot of freaking text, though. Thank you. It's 40. You have written. Let me just look and see. Let me just look and do some math real quick, just a little bit. Let's do some math. 3 kilobytes. Can I do that? Programming bytes. No. Wait, what the frick? No. Need integer. Okay. Three. Let's just do 3 times 40. That's 120 kilobytes of data. 120 kilobytes. How much data is 120 kilobytes? Let's look and see. Let's look and see how much that actually is in gigabytes. That it's almost 1,000th of a gigabyte. No, that's not a gigabyte. That's something else. What the hell is it? What the hell is a gigabit? What the hell is that? I don't give a shit about that. It's 1/10. It's about 1/10,000th of a gigabyte. Or about 1/100th of a megabyte. This whole file that we've been working on, this whole project file. Let me look and see. Downloads? No, not downloads. Favorites. That's what I'm doing. The whole file we've been working on. The whole thing. Let me look at the properties. Is 4.9. Is 4.9 megabytes. Or almost 5 million bytes. You have written 120,000 bytes. In just these. In just these 40 dialogue files. Yeah. And we're still way under that. We're way under that, actually. We should be good, though. That should be all right. Expand. You didn't do that thing. Good God. Why can't you freaking listen to me ever? We need 3 of these. None of these are long enough. None of these are long enough. Oh no. Those must have been the old ones. It's not fine, actually, because that directly ties to gameplay. It's actually not fine at all. Also, you're still doing that thing where you imply that you didn't that the character didn't walk up to the freaking uh, wagon, which doesn't make any sense. That literally makes absolutely no sense, given context. It does not make sense. Don't try to gaslight me. Like, sometimes they're fine because it's ambiguous. But some of them, they're just not good. They just don't work. I know what you're trying to convey, but it doesn't work. Okay, most of them are fine. Most of them are fine. But some of them, come on, man. Come on. You're better than this. Especially when you do better like 2 seconds later. It is a lot, though. I get it. But these are unacceptable. When there's only one of those, it's unacceptable. It's unacceptable because there's no way for the player to get that information. It is directly harming gameplay. Those need to be resolved. Those need to be fixed. And I don't know if I'll have the time to do it myself. Let's try this. That is not. That's not. That doesn't work. Okay, all that's there. That's really terrible. Guess we need it to be centered. Can I click those? Not really, no. It's areas like that, though, where you realize this project is a lot bigger in scope than it probably should have been. we kind of bit off more than we can chew. Because it needs to be fixed. It needs to be fixed. Those areas where you don't have 3 of those characters are basically unusable. Because they do not provide enough information to the player. At all. And that's obviously terrible for gameplay. Especially when we're already not going to give a ton of information to the player. Imagine you're trying to solve a puzzle. You're trying to solve a puzzle. And the puzzle is 3 pieces. But you don't have 2 of them. That's what it is. And obviously they're not all going to get used every time, but if none of them are used, or if there's only ever one, that's not nearly enough. Dude, you can look in Discord. You can look in Discord. Can you not do that on mobile or something? Like this? Like, I'd probably even accept some having 2. But the ones with 1 are too few. There's no chance, basically. Because that's how the player is going to know what he needs to offer. A games journalist could never play that. They'd be confused instantly and get upset. How can I center a label? No, you know what I need to do? I need to do that. But I need to do it here. Get like the button texture and center it. Just divide the width by 2. As I have before. New button dot offset. It's basically just gonna be him again. New button dot texture normal. Get width divided by 2. Okay. property or key offset with value of type vector2 on base object of type touchscreen button. Well, you didn't listen. Was the main problem. I know the example only had one, but I made it explicitly clear. It needs to have at least two more. I said it directly. I even made the importance clear. Oh, what? What is that? What kind of thing is offset? He doesn't know. Invalid assignment of property or key offset with value of type vector2 on a base object of type touchscreen button. Do they have offset? They don't. It's called something else. New button dot offset. Something like offset or location or position, something like that. Global position. That'd be plus. Does that not work? New button dot global position. Okay. Okay, that is height. Not bad, but that's height. Everything else seems fine. Like that. Okay. Perfect. Now I need to make it smaller. And I'm going to have to change the text. And I'm going to have to... All right. Sounds good. I need to scale this down by like half. New button. Dot scale. Scale called as a function, but is vector2. Okay, fine. There. Oops. Okay, I should scale it first. And I think I should scale it by half. New button, dot release, dot connect, button function, dot bind, give text next. Good. Now for the button labels. I need to do button labels. Button label dot position equals new button dot global position. And then I need something similar for the height. Because it needs to be minus half the height there. Or plus half the height there. I divide it by 2 like that. And then we want to button label dot, where is the label? Fit content? No. Horizontal alignment, vertical alignment both need to be center. Perfect. Horizontal done. Vertical alignment center. Perfect. And then we can adjust the scale and the font and stuff in a bit. You know, really, we've bit off so much more than we can chew. It's kind of crazy that we'd only have to delay like a week. That's kind of crazy. Okay, that's way too far. Way too far. It's because it's based on global position. Okay, that's fine. Also, it's the wrong way. Calling that, doing that with global position, it's bad. I need to do it with regular position. Okay. Whoa, you can go so fast when you hold down control. I didn't know that. Oh, and that just moves the thing. It doesn't move the cursor unless it's at the bottom. Wow. Learning. Learning, my beloved. So much knowledge. It's hard to fathom. Okay, it's still all the way over there. And the scaling is jacked. This is still better than it was. Dead. That should not be new button dot position. That should be relative. Okay. Whoa, AI viewers. Wow. Apparently, Kick is cracking down on bots, so that's good. So who can say how much longer that guy will exist? Womp womp. Hey, there we go. Finish. Okay, and then it dies. Okay, so I'm not going to test anymore. So that I can keep that error code. That issue. Can't take value from empty array. Okay. For node in map space. Okay. Dot get node, dot get children. That's what I was missing. What is map space right now? Is he the guy? He is the guy. So that works. That was the only issue. That should be fixed now. I thought that would take a lot longer. Perfect. Is he being robbed death? No. No. Death should not come from concede to be robbed. That's not the way that's supposed to go. Which means something happened. What do you mean death? No, I'm conceding. I'm conceding to being robbed. Okay, but that's the problem. 2D. V-box container is. What's his problem? Why is he not laying them out vertically? Is he schizophrenic? Probably. we not adding them to there? Are we adding them to here or something? Something stupid? Do we need to go like that? Oh yeah, also I need to make sure we do not spawn. We do not spawn on event locations. That's pretty easy though. No. Yeah, why does it just stack them all? Why does it stack them all? That doesn't make any sense. Why would you do that? It doesn't make any sense. Why would you do that? Oh, because that's on the old texture. I need to scale. After it all? Would I need to do that? That. After. Hmm. We should also be able to go here. But that's not working. Is that longer than it's supposed to be? When I make a bunch of new buttons, they're just stacked on top of one another. Why are they stacked on top of one another? It doesn't make any sense. Also, instead of center, I think I should use left. Actually, no, I need to make it the same size. That's what I need to do. How do I make an element the same size as another in GDScript? Yeah, because then it will just not be an issue. Rect min size property, okay. button label dot dimensions. Like I could do custom min size. Actually, that's probably what it's talking about. Get minimum size. No. Update minimum size. No. Custom minimum size. No, I need dimensions. Make an element's dimensions. Rect size? That doesn't sound right. In 4.7.1. That's probably all outdated shit. By accessing its width and height properties. Wait, no. Do I need to? I think I just need to fill. Yeah. If I hypothetically put another dude in there. No, he fills. Do I need to expand vertically? Is that what it is? So they, because right now they're basically taking up no space. Is that it? That must be it. That must be it. Dot container sizing. How can I set? How do I set a node to expand vertically in GD script 1.7.1? Size flags vertical equals control dot size expand. Nope. No, that is what it is. What the hell? Oh no, we can't do that here. Okay, we cannot do that for buttons. So sad. Because we only have transform. Dot size flags dot size fill. Okay, I need to make sure that the buttons are not being jank though anymore. I need to make sure that the buttons are not jank anymore. Do I attach them to a control? Do I attach them to control node set to expand? I think I must. Because they don't take up space. They're not normal. Size flag vertical. Expand. Button control that size. Flags horizontal equals control that size expand. Control. No. Button control. Dot add child. New button. Okay. No. It's not important anymore, so screw him. Nope, it still does it. It's still doing it. If button requirement 0 is bool, equals false. If it is not, nothing. Go through the requirements. Else, he's getting added. Okay. Okay. Shit. Wait, what the hell was that? Bring him back. Let me see him. Yeah, because these are freaking points, aren't they? They don't have any space. They don't do anything like that. They just stack on top of each other, and there's nothing I can do about it. What if they're not touchscreen buttons anymore? What if they're texture buttons? I don't want to do that. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to. You know that. But this is so much easier and more manageable. It may yet just be the only way. Yeah. So if they're going to be texture buttons. So you're a texture button. Oh. Okay, this should work. If this works, I'm gonna head out. I'm probably gonna keep going, but I'm tired. I'm tired of the lights. They blind me. Hey, there we go. They're huge. They're huge, but they work. And that's what matters. They're absolutely gargantuan. 0.5 might not be small enough. Okay, they're not scaling properly. But now I can test the other shit. Church escape. You die anyway. Okay, so what the hell is that all about? This is not happening. This is not being scaled. New button dot size. Sure. Also, we have no sky yet, but that's kind of easy. I can do that in Blender, and that'll look eerie, I think. So we got a 1 in 3. No, a 1 in 5. For it to be the background that we need. Damn. Why? 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 Finish? Okay. New stuff. Non-existent function get node in base array node. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, right. Here's an array. Mapspace.lp. That position. Mapspace. In break, I guess. Also, I need to make sure that the map actually opens when you tell it to open the first time. Okay. Do I need to get the pointer to? Do I need to get the pointer to? Just to make him understand. Get no done. No, I don't want to keep doing the same thing over and over again. Ah. If node distance to map space dot location pointer dot position equals 0. Can I go over here and look at what that is to see if it's there? No. Okay. Fine. If node dot name equals LP, he's the location pointer. Equals get node node dot. No, I don't need to do that. LP equals node. Boom. So then we get the one with him. For node in map space. If node name does not equal LP and node dot get class equals sprite 2D location node equals node, and then we break because we don't have to do the rest of the thing. We don't have to keep looking. There, that should fix it. Oh wait, and node dot position equals lp dot get position or dot position. Boom. Wow. Finish. Oh, well, that did something. Okay. That did not work. Nothing happened. All it did was get parent.customer event. That's what it did. Oh no, because I went to the end, so it didn't know what to do. End. And we do this. Boom. Get parent.set location. And if we are setting the end, if we are setting location end, here, if it is end, we don't do any of that crap. We instead call upon the end screen. We do end game. End game. Vine boom. And that's going to be a function in time. Okay. And now, how did I do that? How did I set that up? I don't remember. What do we need? We need cause. We need a rep. We're passing cause end and player attributes dot reputation. Okay. Well, now I can like just end the game. Like it's right there. I want to do add child. Obviously, I'll add transitions and stuff for all these things. It won't be that big of a deal. It won't be that hard, but it's actually easier to see what's going on this way. And add child. Do we load the end yet? Do we have that yet? Not yet. Oh no, we do have it. We do have it loaded. End scene. Tell me what's the progress so far. I am implementing the end scene. So after I set that up. With the audio recording? Not yet. But again, stop obsessing over the audio. That's like 2 minutes to actually add. I just need to actually do the pre-processing. End screen debug list, pick random menu ranges. We don't need to do that anymore. Index.parse, we do have to do that. That does need to happen. Actually, how do we do that when we're doing events? Because I know you can die here, and I know that that works well. I know that that happens already, like fine. Does it? Is it a signal which we emit? Combat, finish. Death, get parent dot end death. Oh, we already have it end. We already have it end function. Do we? Append. No, that's not it. Here we go. No. No, that's just what I was working on. Actually, I can go over here. I can search this. Endgame vine boom. When I actually already have end. Okay, we've got end cause. Add child, end scene dot display, cause, fire attributes, player rep. Oh, that already handles literally everything. But we're implementing basically the real ends which can occur. That was kind of just for testing. No, that's under there. End, cause. Well, if it's here, cause. End. Cause is end. If it's in travel like that. There we go. That's all set up now. It only works though if we get the event on our way there. Actually, wait, no, I didn't complete that. No, it does. Okay, it's all done. Oops. Let's try and get one real quick. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. That's really bad. Yeah, because then you're just here again. Oops. Okay. This should work. If this happens, you're basically screwed. Finish? Oh, wait. What? Okay, end. What? No! It just skipped over it. Oh, I need to return after that. Okay. Yeah, because that triggers this. But it kept going, so it crashed. Okay, follow or don't every day at or around 1 p.m. PST. Share, post, whatnot, etc. I hope you enjoyed. That's it. Bye-bye. Get out of here. Have a good one, whatever it is. I'm leaving. Gonna go eat dinner. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow, where we will try and finish up even more stuff. Maybe I'll do the audio recordings at last. Get those in here. See ya. Bye-bye. Stay safe.